Okay, everybody, we got another Jeep for you. This is a 2012 Jeep Latitude Edition. Grand Cherokee, super sporty. It's got the tinted out windows, blacked out wheels, leather interior, navigation, backup cam. Super nice truck. This is a one-owner truck. Plenty of service records on it, all done up. Reverse sensing system, panoramic roof. No accidents on this vehicle. Really nice truck. All serviced, ready to go. Four-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped wheel. Lots of good stuff here. All the look on this Jeep. Warranty included on this Jeep, 3 months, 4,500 miles on the complete driveline. Guaranteed credit approval on this Jeep. These are usually starting around $11.95 down. I'm going to walk around it again so you get a better look. Ready to go. Serviced, inspected, road tested, warranty, guaranteed credit approval, free Carfax. What more do you got to know? GasCleveland.com.